Welcome back to Tweets of English. Do you find it difficult to make a call in English? Well, many people do. And today we are going to look at several phrases how to make a call and how to put them on a hold, and if you are the receiver, how to receive a call and how to leave a message if you haven't talked to the person you wanted to. And what are the phrases used to end up a call? Well, let's have a look at all the phrases to talk fluently on a call, right? Well, the first thing is to make a call. Making a call in the sense you dial a number and in fact you start with hello, right? Hello, yes, hello. It's not hello, it's hello. Fine. Starting with hello, what are the phrases used to make a call? How do we gonna do that? Here are several phrases for that to make effective conversation on a call. Firstly, imagine that you are a caller. Fine? When you are a caller, phrases used are hello, I would like to speak to Mr. Prasad. Fine? Likewise, the another phrase is I'm calling from. I'm calling from. If you need to mention them clearly that where you are calling from. So, it would be a pleasing manner or polite manner to tell where you are calling from. I'm calling from. The third one is I'm calling on behalf of somebody. Okay, which means you need to tell the person on behalf of whom you are connecting a call to him. That's important. Okay, these are the certain phrases when you are a caller to the other person, and when you are a receiver, how to receive a call. Here are some phrases for that too. Let's have a look at it. How can I help you? Second one is, hello, where are you calling from? As a receiver, you have to know the person calling from, right? Hello, where are you calling from? Fine. If you want to put the person on hold, what are the phrases you use? These are as simple as that. Making a person to be on hold. Let's have a look at it. Just a moment, please. The first phrase you use to put a person on hold is just a moment, please. That is not movement, that is moment. Fine? Just a moment, please. Next, the second phrase you use for a person to put on a hold is could you hold on, please? Hello, could you hold on, please? Fine. The second phrase you use is that. And the third phrase you are going to use is hold on or hang on. Fine. Hang on. Okay. Well, telephone phrases. People always end up saying hello, hello, hello. Stop this. And use the phrases which I am going to convey. And there may be network issues too. Then, what are the ways to express on a phone when you can't hear the person next? Here, you would say, hello, your voice is cracking or jarring. Fine? Your voice is cracking or jarring. These words, cracking and jarring, are slang words. You could also go with, the line is very bad, can you speak louder? Or, the line is very bad, could you repeat? Fine. Or you might go with, the line is very bad, I can't hear you. Well, these are the ways to express that. Yes, the last phrase you use is leaving a message. How to leave a message if you haven't talked to the person you wanted to? You you are receiving a call from other person and they want to leave a message for them. Then the right phrase is, would you like to leave a message for him? And the other phrase is, can I pen down a message please? Can I pen down a message please? It means, can I note the message please? Okay? Well, imagine if you're a caller now. You would probably say, hey, can I leave a message for her? Well, that's all guys. These are the effective phrases for a person to converse over the phone in English fluently. Do not forget your manners while speaking on a phone. Be polite and be nice to the person you are talking to. Alright, I'll be back with a new lesson soon. Till then, take care and have a great day.